Good morning, students. I hope you're doing fine at home and that you guys are being saved. This video is to give you a little bit of orientation for the assignments that you have to work on this week. First, we're going to go through Moodle, in which you will be able to find where it says week March 16th through 20th, all of the assignments. Your first assignment is an assignment on big ideas, in which you guys need to practice PEMDAS in order to get ready for the next lesson. So in this assignment, here you have it. You can work on it on your notebook or on a loose sheet of paper, so you can make the addition, multiplication, and any operation that you guys need. That is the first assignment. Then when you go again to Moodle, the second assignment is identifying parts of an algebraic expression. You need to read from your Big Ideas Math, pages 112 through 113, watch some tutorial videos, and then make a PowerPoint defining some words with an example of each word. The words are algebra, algebraic expressions, terms, variable, coefficient, constant, and what does it mean to evaluate. When you have that PowerPoint ready, you're supposed to submit through Moodle. In case that you don't have that your PowerPoint is has more space than what is needed, then you need to you can share it to me through your my email. After this, the assignment number 3, you have to watch a tutorial video on Khan Academy, which talks to you about how to evaluate an algebraic expression with only one variable. And here I am in the review that you guys have in Khan Academy that you guys are supposed to read. In case that you don't understand, pay really close attention. They're saying how to evaluate an expression with one variable. First, as you guys have already investigated, a variable is a letter that represents a number, any number. So in this case, they are giving me this example, a plus 4. And they are telling me that a equals 1. What I have to do is, where I find letter A, I am going to substitute letter A for what they're giving me the value for a. So for example, here they're giving me that a equals 1. I'm going to replace letter A with the 1, as you can see here. And then I do the operation that they're asking. 1 plus 4, okay, 5. Now, they're telling me, for example, let's try with another example. Here I have 3x. Remember that we mentioned before that when I have a letter, right next to a number, that means that they are multiplying. So 3x means 3 times x. So in this case, they're telling me evaluate the expression 3x when x equals 5. That means that where x is, I'm going to replace it with the 5, without forgetting that when they're really stick together, really close together, that means a multiplication. That's why they use a dot, to interpret that is multiplication. And then you solve the operation. As you can see here, when you read, there are new ways to show multiplication. You have two different ways. Either you use the dot, or either you put the or it's going to appear as a letter next to the number, as you can see. This review is going to help you. Here, in this case, I have evaluating expressions where I need to take into consideration PEMDAS. So here I have, it says 5 plus 3e. So the first thing I need to know is 5 plus, this means 3 times e. And they give me what is the value of e. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to replace letter e with the value that they're giving me. In this case, number 4. So I have 5 plus 3 times 4. In this case, remember that in PEMDAS, before addition, I have multiplication. So first I need to multiply. 3 times 4, 12. And then I do the addition. And that's how you need to work on it. After this, After you have watched the video, after you have read the review and checked your understanding, you're going to do the practice. In this practice, I'm going to work in this exercise with you guys. So I have 4 minus 2f. First, I need to replace the value of f. So I have 4 minus 2 times 1. I'm going to make the multiplication first. 2 times 1 is 2. So I will have 4 minus 2 times 1, which is 2. And then I'm going to solve the operation. 4 minus 2. How much? 2. And then I'm going to check my answer. Okay? So I hope you're doing fine. In case you have any doubts, any concerns, something that is going on, you have my email. You can write to me and I'll be here available for you guys. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy and keep safe at home.